I'm Vince Sheehy, president of Sheehy Auto Stores. At Sheehy, cars have been part of our DNA since 1966. We have steadily grown over the years from one store to over 30 franchises today. We have stores from Richmond to Baltimore and from Hagerstown to Annapolis. We are the premier auto group in the Mid-Atlantic. Customers do business with people, not buildings. We provide timely, relevant training, no matter your position, to get you up and running. Every day of the week and in every Sheehy store, each of our 2,000 plus team members work together to open the doors, prepare the cars, and help our customers either buy a car or keep their car running well. Our mission is one team building a lasting relationship with each customer based on trust.
As a learning organization, Sheehy Auto Stores believes that training and developing our employees is a fundamental requirement in today's business climate. At Sheehy, we believe in posturing each team member for success by offering state-of-the-industry training and development in all departments. We offer an opportunity for a great career path with great earning potential, while allowing each team member to learn the skills necessary to compete in our highly competitive markets. It's no secret that our success has been driven by our customers' response to our unique and innovative selling approach. We truly believe in investing in each team member to be the best at what we do every day for our customers. After a customer purchases a car from Sheehy, their journey continues in maintaining their investment in our service departments.
Sheehy understands the importance of working for a company that has a positive organizational culture and comprehensive benefits. We provide our team members with healthcare coverage, professional development, retirement plans, paid time off, and much more. We have benefits such as medical, dental, vision, 401k, supplemental benefits, paid leave, tuition assistance, and assistance for technicians trying to get additional certifications. The benefits are endless. The retirement program is excellent. We have a 401k and profit sharing plan available for team members. Profit sharing is just another way we recognize team members and give back to them for all the hard work they've done throughout the year.
Today, our stores are local leaders in charitable giving to the communities we serve. We identify nonprofit or other causes in our backyard that need support, whether through financial donations, solving transportation needs, or through providing volunteers from our Sheehy teams. We have an array of annual giving programs, including school supplies, food, and toy drives. Sheehy's biggest sales event every year, Sheehy Has Heart, is focused on supporting the American Heart Association and their fight against heart disease, the leading cause of death in the United States. Over the course of this 25-year campaign, Sheehy Auto Stores has raised over $2 million to support the AHA.
At Sheehy Auto Stores, our mission is one team building a lasting relationship with each customer based on trust.